and welcome to Scoil Samhraidh 2020. Hi everybody, and Fáilte Rómh isteach anseo go dtí Scoil Samhraidh. It's my pleasure to welcome you here to Scoil Online for our 2020 programme. My name is Calvey and I'm the Cathaoirleach of Scoil, and I know many of your faces from years gone by, and we're very disappointed on behalf of the Coiste and the community of Acla that you can't be with us this year. But due to the COVID restrictions, it is as it is, and we've tried our best to bring an Acla experience to you online this year. So we're trying out our summer school online, and what we're going to do for the week is we're going to have 2 tutors each day teach a class online, and these classes will be at 11 AM and 3 PM daily, Monday to Friday. And then at 7 o'clock each evening we'll release some archival footage that will be a siúl siar Scoil Tríd na blianta. So a look back at Scoil through the years, and we hope to bring you on a little trip down memory lane Bóithrín Smuointe, so that you can remember and reminisce on the good times you've had in Acla, and hopefully inspire you to get booking for 2021 as well. So each day, Monday to Friday, we'll have our 2 classes online, 11 AM and 3 PM, and 7 PM we'll have some archival footage. We'll also be having a mini area, and this will be on Saturday the 1st of August. I hope you can all join here online for that. And what we're going to do for that is celebrate the 35 years of our branch here in Acla. So in 1985 our branch was revived and the summer school was started again, and it is 110 years since the foundation of Scoil originally, and we want to celebrate that and mark the event on Saturday the 1st of August with this mini area. So there will be a book launch. Acla Painters is a book by Mary J. Murphy, and this book will be launched by John Twin McNamara at Lourdes Car Park in Duat, in the same location where our area is usually held. And we hope that you can join with us online for this area and mark the event, and see those faces that you know and love from Acla, and that you can enjoy some part of our 2020 experience. We of course are very indebted to our tutors who come to Acla each and every year, and they travel from all over Ireland, and they commit to us each year for the week in the summer school, and we thank those artists, and we're very sorry that we're not able to support them this year, but due to the restrictions that are in place, of course, these artists and professional musicians have now been left without their summer school programme of events. So we just ask you if you could support these artists. So instead of going to your usual tutor's class, that maybe you go online and you buy their solo album or some sort of album, or maybe join in with their online classes in some way. And this is just to give something to support those artists, because we're disappointed that they're not here with us this year, but we hope that they will come back with us next year, and we'll be able to support them and enjoy their music and their knowledge here in Acla. We're also grateful to our funding agencies who have allowed us to put this programme of events together online. As I'm sure you're aware, most of our programme was already organised and ready when March came along and the COVID restrictions were imposed. So our hard-working Coiste have put those little plans on ice, and next year we'll be back bigger and better, and we'll have a really exciting programme for you. And the community here in Acla are disappointed as well that Scoil is not going ahead, but we look forward to next year, and we want you to mark the dates in your diary for Scoil 2021, which will be the 24th to the 31st of July next year. And it's important that you book that accommodation and you get your plans ready now, because as you know, Scoil is a well-attended summer school, and we only have enough capacity on the island for a certain amount of visitors. So book early and come and join us for 2021, and comment and join in online this week and message us and let us know your thoughts, or if you're having a tune at home and thinking of Scoil Acla, send it on to us. We'd really love to share it on social media. So from me, for now, enjoy the week's events, and I hopefully will see you in 2021, and Bear Bua agus Bannacht and Slán Anish and Biggie Lynn and Blincha hugging Slán.